Alright guys, on today's episode of Oil Changes with Owen, we will be doing an oil change on a 1972 Plymouth Duster. Alright guys, some of the things that we'll be using in the video is a Fram Extra Guard PH8A. The next thing right here, a Z DDP. And the last thing is a 10W30.
Yeah, absolutely guys. So we got our oil filter right over here. That's what's going to fit on this 1972 Plymouth Duster. We have our Z DDP, which is an oil additive. Basically what we're going to do with that is we're going to add it to our oil. So we're going to use about 4 quarts of this added with the Z DDP, and that basically just gives our engine some vitamins and nutrients that it actually needs, guys.
Alright guys, step 1 is strain the oil pan. Alright guys, we're going to try to get this thing off here.
Okay.
Alright guys, we got the oil drained, the filter taken off, and now we just rinse and repeat. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next channel.
What are we going to do today, Brody? We are gonna do an oil change on a 1972 Duster. Are you ready? Say subscribe, like, and comment, guys.
Let's wait in the comments, guys.
Thanks, Brody.
Thanks.
Alright guys, some of the things that we will be using in the video, which is Brody is making it very hard to do, we will be using a from Extra Guard a pH 8.4